welcome to the Sincere Lifestyle.
We are back at it.
We are back. We miss you guys.
Yes, and we would love to catch up.
Yes.
And while we catch up, we are going to do one of our favorite quick and easy snack recipes.
We're gonna make some popcorn
Homemade.
and chat it up.
Let's chat it up, guys.
As we sip some wine too, right?
Okay.
Why not, right?
Why not?
Okay.
Let's go.
Join us. So what we got? We can probably get a bowl. Okay. All right.
Karen's going to grab the wine glasses because she has a vertical extension that I cannot reach. She's been blessed.
At that height. So we're gonna be sipping on some Josh Cabernet.
Okay.
Okay. And chat out with you guys, you know? We've been going through so much.
And also, I know you guys have been going through so much, so comment below on what's up with you and we will respond. But in the meantime, while we're chatting, we recently moved across country, y'all.
Yes, we are in Cali or California?
LA.
LA.
And you know, we're Brooklyn girls through and through, but you know what? Cheers to Trading Coast.
Yes. Cheers, mate.
Cheers, guys.
And enjoying the sunny weather.
Yes, and if you guys have any LA tips for us, you know, comment below and we would love to hear you out as we are exploring. So you'll see us explore with you guys and we're going to take the camera around with us and, you know, vlog along the way.
Yes, we'll be all in California, doing excursions, doing events, and we're just gonna include you guys in it.
Yeah, can't wait to take you along.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
All right.
So let's start making some popcorn. Who makes popcorn from scratch?
Our mama does.
Let us know, do you buy popcorn from the market?
Yes.
Do you buy already bagged? Do you make from scratch? And what is your favorite ingredients that you like to put in your popcorn? Let us know.
Let us know in the comment area below. So yeah, we first started making this popcorn recipe with our mom.
Yeah.
And the number one thing you need is kernels. And you know, any kernel will typically, how do you say that?
No, any kernel would actually work with this recipe.
Yes.
Okay.
So it doesn't have to be the one we're using.
Yeah.
But this one's gluten-free, which I love. You know, guys. And
just add what's your favorite seasoning. What we're gonna use is garlic.
Yes.
Onion powder.
Yes.
Pepper. And salt.
Okay.
Okay. We like to blend it and put it together and probably just like sip on some wine, eat some popcorn, watch a movie.
And catch you up with what's going on in our lives, actually. And so we're gonna start with putting extra virgin olive oil in this pot. And so what you wanna do is actually use a larger pot because it pops. You need some space.
Right.
And make sure you have a lid. You need that lid, guys.
Yes, you got a lid.
So let's fix this. Just so we usually don't measure, guys, to be honest.
But we pour it in.
We just pour it in and we look at it. But we want to make sure we get this down for you guys.
Right.
So this is a tablespoon. We're going to see how many we usually use.
Okay, so a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, guys.
Okay.
You want to keep it healthy, right?
Keep it healthy.
So that's 2. And I guess you just want to roll it around.
Absolutely. So what you want to do is make sure the entire bottom is coated with that olive oil. And she's putting in, that looks like, what's that?
This is the third one.
3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil.
But this is also a large pot. It really depends on what size pot you use.
That's true. So as long as that bottom layer is just coated with a layer of olive oil. And I'm going to take it in there so you can see what's going on.
And you want to cover like the whole bottom.
So how has the ER been for you, Karen?
So the ER has been great. Right now I am a travel nurse in California and it has been amazing. As you know, in New York City, nurses don't have a cap when it comes to patients.
Yeah.
We have up to like 13 patients at a time. In California, you can only have 4. So I've been just feeling more energetic, less tired. It's been just really great for my body all around. I have more time to take care of myself, more time to go to the gym. So it's just a lot I would say it's less stressful. So anybody who have the opportunity to do travel nursing, I recommend it. I recommend you just, travel anywhere from either Texas, Florida, Miami, Cali, anywhere where you feel like, you want to actually go and experience not only the people, but also the sights of that place. So far it's been great. I'm going to continue doing travel nursing until, I don't know, guys, until I feel like, no more. But right now it's been going great and I love it.
Yeah, and I'm just so thankful because I've noticed she's been, just more uplifted and everything, and just you have more time for just thinking and being you, which is
more
amazing.
time for others as well. So I definitely recommend travel nursing. I am going to put out a YouTube video about my experience as a travel nurse with some tips on what to do and how to just, go out there and put yourself out there. A lot of people might think it's unstable. A lot of people might think it's, scary. But overall, nursing is nursing. When you got it, you got it. Doesn't matter where you are, what hospital you're in. So we always use medium high, but you have to know your stove.
That's true.
You don't want it to put it too hot where it burns the popcorn, and you don't want to put it too low where it makes the popcorn it's just not done, right? It's
it's crunchy.
It's crunchy and hard, right?
No one likes that.
Yeah. So as that pops, we're gonna put this in the microwave for 30 minutes. Okay.
30 seconds.
Sorry, 30 seconds. Because we put it in for 30 minutes. That's it.
That's it. So what that is a quarter of a tablespoon of organic vegan butter.
Right.
So it's right behind you. What are we using today?
We're using from Whole Foods.
It's Earth Balance. We'll include a link below.
But you can use any type of vegan butter, but we like this butter the best because it tastes like butter.
It actually tastes like butter. You ever had vegan butter and it's just like,
this ain't it.
This ain't it? This is it. So
it is. So yeah.
Oop, there we go.
And it's nice and melty. Very good.
So we're just gonna leave that in there for a little bit and wait for the popcorn to start popping.
Right.
In the meantime, I'll update you on what's happening with me.
Yeah, what is going on with you, Cindy?
So COVID was a really hard time in the design industry, as a lot of you know, if you're in retail side of things, or even in the design side of the fashion industry like me, things were tough during COVID. Collections weren't being pushed out as much in certain fashion industries and etc. But I'm really thankful that I got an opportunity to be a part of this great company here that is California based. And I started in September and it's been going really well. Everyone's super nice, the vibe is super nice, and I'm really excited about everything and how it's going. So yeah, I'm just thankful, especially with the times that we're in, and the economic times, and even the health times, with the lingering effects of being in the middle of a pandemic. I am just thankful for even the opportunity to have a job. So blessings,
right? So just being content and enjoying the moment that you have now in life. And there's just so much going on. So that's another show though. Another episode, another YouTube, and we'll dive into that later on.
Absolutely.
But so we're just waiting for this popcorn to start popping. But I love popcorn. I'm kind of addicted to popcorn.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3. It's done.
It's done.
You don't want it to be burnt, so you want it. If you have 3 seconds, then you do it.
Right.
You close it. Shut it off. Oh yeah! Get all those amazing goodness.
Nothing like fresh popcorn, guys. After you try this, you're not even going to buy popcorn from the store anymore, and you're gonna save a lot of money.
You're not gonna go back. It's
Once
fresh.
you start making it from scratch, you can't go back because it's really addicting, guys.
Absolutely. So she's gonna pour this on. I'm gonna give you a close-up view of what's happening. Exactly. Ooh, that looks good, guys. Oh yeah, vegan butter. Pour it on. Pour on the butter, baby. Yum.
Man, what I like to do, I don't pour all the butter, but I like to like season it.
Okay.
Season as you do your food, because this is food.
Okay. So you season to your taste, but she just put in some onion powder, garlic powder. Now for time for the cracked pepper in here. Okay, girl. Get that cracked pepper on.
Salt.
And a little bit of salt. Sometimes I don't use salt for like years, but I don't know. I've been in a salty mood lately. Okay.
What? You've been in a salty mood?
Yeah. Then she puts some more of the butter. Remember, it's half a tablespoon there. Okay. The rest
That
of it.
reminds me of the scene where what was her name? Poetic Justice, when Janet Jackson was making that like butter from scratch.
But didn't she cry?
And then she was crying as she was playing, you know.
That was a
music.
sad
What was
moment.
it, Stevie Wonder playing back then?
Oh, it was sad, guys. Who watched Poetic Justice? Comment below.
I
Let us
love
know your
Poetic
favorite
Justice.
scene.
Who like watching Love Jones?
Ooh, that's
That's
Karen's
my
favorite
jam.
movie. Oh my gosh, this looks so good, Karen.
Tasty.
This is so good, guys.
So yummy. Oh my goodness.
Well, cheers to that.
Cheers to that.
Guys, we can't wait to talk to you some more and reply to your comments.
Bye.
Bye.